Hi guys, it's Agnes here. In this retreat, I'm going to show you how to define your body type, understanding exercise and diet that work best for your body. Defining your body shape alone is not enough. It is outdated, shoplifted. It doesn't really tell us much, except to remind us of our flaws. Likewise, doing the same thing over and over again without gaining much knowledge and getting out of the comfort zone might not get you anywhere. When it comes to body types, there are so many references in the industries, namely the image industries, the fitness industries, the health and wellness industries. I'm very blessed to be in these three categories so that I'm able to share with you the difference between how they measure your body types. In the image industries, your body types is measured according to your straight, triangle, inverted triangle, or hourglass. The fitness industries measure your body types according to your ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. Whereas the health and wellness industries measure your body types according to your stress type, estrogen type, your sugar type, or your testosterone type. Besides understanding body types for your weight loss, you will get a personalized color analysis from me for your skin tone and understanding these color palettes, namely the spring, the summer, the autumn, and the winter, and how these color palettes will make you look good and feel good. Besides this workshop, you will wake up with our daily mind body programs and visit the most popular sites in Vietnam and enjoy a full board meals that serve to you. So sign up now in the attached link and receive a free gift from us. See you! Bye!